hanger steak is a treat. There's only one hanger steak per animal. So, you know, usually on a cow, you're gonna have like 2 of everything, sometimes just 4 of certain things, but with the hanger steak, you only get 1 per animal. So that's why it's a lesser cut of meat, is because, I mean, usually the butcher would keep it. This is called the butcher's cut. A lot of people wouldn't use this because they didn't really know about it. They didn't know what it was. And, you know, it just doesn't taste good with this line of connective tissue here. So a lot of people didn't know how to cook it. So the butcher would take it and he would clean it up and it would taste fantastic. But once people start finding out about that, they decided, you know what, I want to buy that. So it's really hard to get. I'm not going to see it in store that much, but what you can do is go talk to your butcher and at the processing plant or wherever, and then, you know, they'll be able to get you a hanger. Now, this is a fantastic piece of meat. It is almost like a tenderloin, right? So basically what you have to do first is take out this piece of connective tissue here and then basically separate the hanger into 2, because this is not going to render. We're going to cook this hot and fast, and this is not going to render out, and it's going to taste like crap. So make sure you have a really sharp knife, and then we're going to cut around this and we're going to take out that piece of connective tissue. Now, me being left-handed, this is going to look funny to you guys, but what you want to do is just slowly cut around this, and you don't want to cut too much of the meat. So we're just going to let the knife do the work and just kind of let it slide in between these 2 pieces and take out this piece of connective tissue. Now, as you see, you'll start to see where it is. You'll start to see where that connective tissue is. Make sure you get all of it. A really sharp knife will just slide down and allow you to get it out. So I'm just going to cut through this, and with movie magic, we'll be done in a minute. So now what we have is 2 nice hangers here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 different seasonings. We're going to go with Cosmo's cow cover on one and put a little olive oil on there on both. All these, all right. Coat both sides. All sides. Make it look nice and pretty. Make sure that meat feels good. There we go. Now, on these, we're going to go ahead and throw cow cover on one. Because that's good stuff, dude. If you guys haven't tried this cow cover, it is good stuff. I'm not endorsed by anybody. I just know that it's good, so I use it. All right. Now we're going to coat this liberally because we're going to slice it. And as we slice it, you know, obviously the only place it's going to have flavor is on the outside. So, all right, so we got cow cover on one. We're going to do killer hogs on the other. All right, this is a little bit more coarse seasoning. It's got a lot of salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic chunks, garlic flakes. On these 2, we're just gonna do salt and pepper, and that's it, nothing else. All right, so we got the Pit Boss hot. Woo-wee. Okay, let's go ahead and get these on here. It's cold, so let's get these on here now. Yeah, hot and fast, baby, hot and fast. All right. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, sizzling over here. Okay, we're gonna do 1 foot. I'll do a roll instead. And we do 1 flip. Oh, that's looking good. Look at that. Yes, sir. All right, let's do 1 flip over here. Oh man, look at that. Look how good that looks. 1 flip over here. Okay. Look at the grill marks on that. Okay, hot and fast. That's what we want, gentlemen. Hot and fast, ladies. Let's go. All right, let's check it again. got the thermal pin here. Thermal pin says about 140, 139, 140 on those. We're gonna pull those off. Those are smaller, so thermal pin here says about 140 on that one. And where we're at here, we're at 126, 118, 113 right there. So obviously there's a hot spot over there. Over here we're at 119, 118. And on this side we're at 119. In the middle we're at 119. So we're gonna say that we need to move this over a little bit. This one needs a little bit. These got to get pulled right here. So this is, we're gonna pull these right real quick, real quick. 137, 140. All right, so that's a little thinner side. So we're gonna call that good. All right, let's try now. 135, yeah, perfect. Let's go ahead and wrap these bad boys up and we'll get them in the house, let them rest for about 15 minutes where I go to the liquor store because I ran out of tequila, and then we'll be back in action. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have the hanger steaks done, and these are our tester pieces that you saw earlier, and these are our full hanger steaks in here. I have both of them in here. So let's go ahead and get these tester pieces open. They've been resting for about 15 minutes. So you see the juices have run out a little bit, but they're gonna be still nice and juicy. And remember, these were just salt and pepper. What we're gonna do is take a look at this. Look at that juicy ass piece. Right, I'm gonna go right across there. Look at that. What you think? What you think, folks? All right, let's get another little piece here. Slice this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this piece too. Same thing. Make sure you cut across the grain. All right, now take a look at that. What do you guys think about that? It's about right? About the right consistency, about the right heat. All right. So we're looking about medium. All right, so check this out. Fuck, I ran out of gloves, dude, so use all these fucking paper towels. Check it out, it's fucking 12 now, man, so, I mean, you already know what it is. This is not fucking water either, bitches. Oh, fuck. All right, let's get back to it. This is a piece that we just cut. Salt and pepper. Shit smells fucking great, got my mouth watering. Whoa, bitch. That shit soft as a motherfucker. Hey, that shit nice and tender. Look, I had to get me another one. Look at it. It's like a brisket, dude. That's just a salt and pepper one. It's really good. Probably could use a little bit more salt. You guys saw how much salt I put on there. Probably need a little bit more. But I'm gonna cut those other two and make sure we test the Killer Hogs version and then also the Cosmos version, because those are gonna add a little bit more flavor. All right, so now what everybody has been waiting for is the two main pieces of this hanger. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. Fucking boat that I made. Man, that smells great. Jeez, that shit smells good. This smells a lot better than just the salt and pepper version, folks. Go ahead and get this. This is the Cosmos version. This is Killer Hogs. Look at all that fucking juice. We're not gonna throw that out. We're gonna dip some shit in there. All right, so let's go over here. Cut some Cosmos. All right, come back over here. Cut some Killer Hogs. All right, so we're gonna try Cosmos, see what we got. That's the one. I ain't even tried Killer Hogs yet, man. We're gonna see. Get a good piece of the hogs. You see it's got that nice seasoning on there. There's a debate. Do you like the coarse seasoning or the fine seasoning? But the flavor profile, I'm gonna give it to Cosmos, man. I mean, that's fire. I gotta get another one, just to be sure. Cosmos for the win, folks. Hey, put in the comments if you like Cosmos or if you like Killer Hogs or something else. Something like, what's that other shit? Hardcore Carnivore? Tell me if you like that too. Anyway, hey, I'm out of here, man.